Tim, you double check to make sure.
I guess I'll get his test flight.
Yeah, we went through
Tim's first test flight.
We had to set up his radio.
We're going to do one little short test flight, make sure they're all right, then we're going to fly all four at once. What is this plane you're going to build out here at the field today, Tim? He's going to build at the field ArtiZan. Horizon Hobby has them on sale right now for $99.99 with free shipping. So there's 4 of us out here at the field that bought them this week. Mine's going to fly today, and Larry and Pete's got one, so we'll have all 4 of them flying today sometime.
Do I need these?
If we can, yeah, you'll need them instructions.
You sure?
I'm not going to tell you how to do it.
Remember last time I was cutting a brand new plane open with a knife?
Yeah, you cut the plane.
I cut the wing.
You're not going to do that this time, are you?
I hope not. If I do, it'll be your fault. We're not we're not having this built for me already.
You can, Tim, you don't need this part.
Go away.
We don't need that, do we? No, he don't need it. Whoop! How'd your carbon fiber get clear out there? Well, don't matter, he don't need it. It'll fly better without that carbon tube in there.
So I do it. Where's your second carbon tube?
You can, Tim, you don't need this part.
Go away.
We don't need that, do we? No, he don't need it. Larry!
That out too? Sure.
Yep, don't need them parts either.
Hey, old man, you need to sit down that way. I understand. Throw that out too? Yep, don't need them parts either. Hey, old man, you need to sit down that way. I understand. Now you hurt my feelings. Stick this in first. I'm gonna stick you in first. Okay, thank you very much.
No, not those. No.
Huh. Oh, I had several people comment about that plane.
They did.
They were upset about that thing crashing.
And not me.
I think I was pretty upset about it too.
They were upset too watching the video of you crashing it.
He said,
They were blaming it all on him.
why?
On me?
They were saying, why didn't you get somebody that knew what they was doing to fly it for you first?
We don't have nobody on the field.
That's because we didn't have anybody, huh?
That hurt. That freaking hurt.
I think before I buy that, I'll just sell my transmitter. I'm dead serious. You don't like it? I have more glitches and stuff with that one than I've ever had with my other JR. I've never put with it since back in the time.
There's the shade hogger.
There he is.
That's the shade hogger.
You got CG all right? Work something?
Yep.
Tail heavy.
I marked it at 3 inches. Like I said.
You all done building over here?
Yep.
Might as well shut the camera off.
You guys putting Velcro on the bottom of this thing as well?
I just put a little piece right in there. And the only reason I put it there is just keep the battery from sliding.
What did you dig that out with?
I better check in with Tim and see how he's going over here. He's getting it all plugged in.
You double check to make
Well,
sure.
I guess I'll get his test flight.
Yeah, we went through
Tim's first test flight.
We had to set up his radio.
We're going to do one little short test flight, make sure they're all right, then we're going to fly all four at once.
Yep, everything's hooked up.
Alrighty. All right.
Wow, that thing flies nice.
That's good.
2 seconds into the flight and he knows it flies nice, huh? Just like the RC gut guys, huh?
That's good.
Well, I'm trying to figure out. Now his is about the same speed as mine. Pete's really knock him off. All right, we ready?
I got you.
I'd say not.
Oh!
Whoa!
Who was that?
That was me.
Uh-oh.
Flying the wrong one?
Doug, you need to go out there.
Did you fly the wrong one, Pete?
Yep.
That's what I was afraid of. When I done that,
I would say. I see a problem.
Cause it hit pretty hard.
It did. It did.
No, don't look too. Oh, it broke it. I don't think it mashed it as much as it broke it. It crinkled it a little bit. Looks like it might have bent the
Yep, it's
prop adapter.
might be repairable, but
Yeah, it's
heck of a way to do on the first flight. Happens.
Yep.
I think I got everything, didn't I?
I didn't see anything else, Pete.